If your bathroom still feels damp, messy, or half-finished, the curtain setup is probably wrong. Here's the best shower curtain setup. 5 curtains plus 4 upkeep tools. Quick answer. Threshold is the practical default. Quiet Town adds color. Maeve adds softness. Deucin adds pattern. And Block Shop is the design splurge. No curtain solves everything. Pick for washing, drying, privacy, style, and hardware. For most bathrooms, I'd start with the Threshold Waffle Weave Shower Curtain. Buy it if you want a fabric curtain that looks clean and grown-up, without paying decor store money. The waffle texture gives it enough presence to finish the room, and the machine wash care keeps upkeep realistic. The catch is moisture. It's thicker fabric, so it can hang on to dampness longer than a slick liner-style curtain. It can also lose size in the wash. Skip it if airflow is weak, or if you need the curtain to stay exactly its original dimensions. If the bathroom needs color, go Quiet Town Sun Shower. This is for someone who wants the curtain itself to be the statement, not just a background layer behind a liner. It has that waterproof, structured feel, and it can work as the liner too, so the setup stays simpler. But it's transparent, which is the whole personality and also the drawback. It won't hide bottles, tile, or whoever's showering. Cleaning is more hands-on too. Skip it if you want machine wash convenience or real privacy. For a softer, dressed-up bathroom, it's the Maeve by Anthropologie Embroidered Scalloped Cotton Shower Curtain. Buy it when the details matter. The embroidery, the shaped edge, and the cotton feel all make the room look more considered. This is style first, not maintenance first. The trade-off is that cotton can stay wet for hours, and darker trim needs caution at the start because color transfer is possible. Use a liner. Absolutely. Skip it if you want to shower straight against the curtain, or if your bathroom already dries slowly. For a plain bathroom that needs energy, pick the Tulip Shower Curtain from Deucin. It's the fun one, bright pattern, light clear material, and less visual weight than a heavy fabric panel. That makes sense in a small bathroom where you don't want the shower to feel like a wall. The catch is visibility. Clear EVA shows soap film and water spots more readily, and it's hand wash only. A liner can also dull the look. Skip it if you want neutral, private, or mostly hands-off. If the curtain is basically the artwork, go Diamond Shower Curtain from Block Shop Textiles. Buy it for a bathroom where the shower side is visible and you want the curtain to look finished, not temporary. The hand-printed cotton and richer build are the reason to spend up here. Just don't treat it like a cheap backup curtain. Patterns can rotate out, and the first wash needs care because dye release is possible. Skip it if you want bargain pricing, guaranteed easy replacement, or zero ceremony on laundry day. To make fabric curtains easier to live with, add the Maytex Water Repellent Fabric Shower Curtain Liner. It gives a washable barrier inside the tub, which helps slow-drying curtains feel less fussy. It suits cotton curtains, tub showers, and bathrooms where a liner needs to survive regular laundry. Its limit is simple, it still needs washing, and it looks practical rather than pretty. For a cleaner-looking rod, use the Quiet Town S-hook. The open, bent metal shape feels intentional, and it has fewer little parts where water can sit. It's especially handy if you take the curtain down often. The limit is glide. These aren't rolling rings, so they can drag more across the rod, and the open shape isn't as locked in as a closed hook. If liner laundry is the annoying part, add Moen Shower Curtain Rings. The double hook layout lets the curtain and liner hang separately, so you can pull the liner without dismantling the whole rod. That's useful for households using a decorative outer curtain. The limit is visual bulk. They take up more room than basic rings, and rust can matter in a steamy bathroom. For budget hardware that still feels functional, go Amazer Shower Curtain Hooks. They're the straightforward choice when you need rolling hooks for a curtain and liner, without crowding the rod too much. Pick a finish that matches your existing hardware and move on. The trade-off is convenience. One shared ring is less handy when only the liner needs washing, and this isn't the style upgrade in the setup. Quick split. Most homes, threshold. Bright waterproof look, quiet town sun shower. Soft cotton detail, Maeve. Playful small bathroom pattern, Tulip. Decor splurge, diamond. Then add Maytex for a washable liner, quiet town for minimal hooks, Moen for easier liner removal, or Amazer for budget rolling hardware. Before you buy, check airflow, privacy, and laundry tolerance. Fabric usually needs a liner. Clear curtains show buildup faster. Hand wash pieces only make sense if you'll actually do it. And if you wash often, choose hooks that make removal less annoying. If you're unsure, start with threshold. It's the safest mix of looks, price, and upkeep. Go quiet town for color, Maeve for softness, Tulip for playful clear pattern, or diamond when design matters most. Then add the liner and hooks that match your laundry routine. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.